Welcome to our YouTube channel, Code and Chunks. So yesterday I didn't upload the video because in India there is now weather is changing. So that's why I got fever yesterday. So that's why I was unable to record that. Okay. So today we will continue our discussion that was Matplotlib. And in the Matplotlib, we create a plot with some data like sales here, if I remember that. So we can go on the Google Colab. Okay, so here this is the input, and this was the figure, then sales, then this. Okay, so this we have discussed in the yesterday session. What is the line style and what is the marker, what is that color, and how we can use that. Okay, this discussion I think we did yesterday. So today, what I will show you, I will show you some more things. And today, in the last session, I told you about the fixed size, but the real use of the fixed size I will show you with the example. Okay, so what I'm doing here, I will create one data set, like I will create X, or the this will be list 200, 300, 400, or 500. Okay, now I will create one more data set, that is suppose Y1. Okay. So my AI feature was enabled, so it's creating that by default. This is also a beauty of the Google Colab. It's a new feature that like I enabled that. How you can enable that? So you just need to go on the this, then AI assistance, and you need to click on these options. If you do not want, if you are a beginner, so I will recommend you to not use that feature. Firstly, learn that by yourself. So you can uncheck that and you can refresh your page. Okay. So what I will do here, this is my data set, and here, firstly, I will set the figure. Okay. So that will be 10 5. Okay. Now, I will create a subplot. Okay, and subplot will be what? So in this subplot, I give three parameter. First is the one, means I want one row. What is the mean of one row? I will tell you. And this will be two, means I want two column. And this I will give as a first one. What is the mean of that? Okay, so firstly I will remove that and I will run this. Okay, so you can see my graph is divided. Okay, my graph is divided. Now I will create one more plot. Okay, same thing I will do. Plt dot subplot, subplot row first. This is our first row in which I have two column, and my current graph position will be second. Here my current graph position was first, but now here the graph position will be second. Okay, now here that is show. So here I have passed X or Y1, color was red, line style was colon, and here marker was O, and this is on the first position. Now if I will run that again, so you can see it's gone on the second thing. Okay, if I will increase the fixed size, if I will use suppose 15 here, you can see this is increase. If I will use 20 here, now that is more increase. So I have created two things. Now what I want suppose two row. How I can do that? I can do by that. Okay, now here I will create one more data set. Suppose here I will show plt dot subplot. So second row, okay, and in which I have two column. and this will be my third position. It was 1, it was 2, now this will be third. Okay, now here I will give y1 and y2. Okay, I will use that. This is my third graph. If you want that on the fourth, so how you can do now, it's easy. Okay, sorry, my like voice maybe break because my health is not good. Okay, but it's still like I do not want to miss that video. So color will be blue. Okay, so you can see that if you are thinking that is too small, okay, so what you need to do, you need to increase the fixed size that you can take as a 10. Okay, now this is also increase. I am telling you everything step by step. What I am doing here, firstly, I have set the figure size. After the figure size, I use subplot. In the subplot, what I want, I have two row, and each row I have two column. On the first position, I want this graph. Okay, this plot. What is data set? This is my data set. Color, red, line, this, marker, this. Now, the again one more graph that will be on the second position. One more graph, this will be on third position. One more, this will be on the fourth position. Okay. In the last, I will use show method that will be used to show your graph. Okay. I hope that is good for you. Okay. Now, what I can do, I can move for the bar chart. Okay. Suppose I will create one data set, uh, 200, 300 or 500. Okay. And this will be my y. Okay, I will use bar chart. So you can see how smart that AI. Okay, so this is my plot. I want bar chart. I do not want plot chart. I want bar chart. This will be my data set, and I want color as a red. You can remove this, and suppose I want color as a blue. Okay, okay, what's the wrong thing here? Okay, there is some mismatch. Cannot be. Okay. Here I have mismatch. So, what is the mismatch here? If you will see the error, okay. So, what is the mismatch here? Here I have given the 5 value, and here I have given the 4 value. Okay, this is a mismatch. So, if I am getting the like error, so it will be good for you if you are getting the same thing. So you can solve that. So what here, how I understand. So this is like it was giving mismatch error. So I understand, oh, this is a error that is mismatch between the value. If I will run this, so now it's working fine. Okay, so this is my bar chart. And if I want to increase the fixed size, PLT fixed size 1020. Okay, so now what you want, or suppose you want color as a green. Okay, and suppose you want to give some labels also. Okay, you want plt dot x label, x axis y label, y axis title, bar chart. What is the impact of that? So here is the title, bar chart. Here is the x axis, here is the y axis. Okay, and if you want to increase some data, so you can write this. If you will run that, okay. So this is now it's divided in the 50-50 ratio. If you will not use 50-50, if you will put a gap as 100. Okay. So again, it's using 50. So what I can do, I can decrease the length, suppose 15. Okay, now, okay, means the value. else it does not matter. Firstly, you should clear with the concept. Okay, now you can see if I increase the value, the size is short, so it's divided that ratio in the 100. Okay, if I will have less value and the size is more, so it will divide that into the 50-50 ratio. Okay, so this was related to the bar chart. Now you can create a scatter also. So how you can create a scatter? Okay, so I will pass data set as a y, x or y, and color will be in the red. Okay, so this is my scatter. Okay, so this is also important if you want to use marker. Okay, so this is my scatter chart. So I want to do one announcement here. If you want to join a dedicated course, and if you are in college and in the college, you are in tier 3 college, and this college will not provide you a good placement. So, and they are the quality content quality is not good. So what you can do, you can join our course, okay, in which we will explain you everything. Like if you want to join uh, full stack development, if you want to join DevOps, and if you want to join data science, okay, so it's depend on you. And before that we will take a basic interview. And because why, if you your college is not providing you the placement, so we will provide you the placement, and we will send your profile to the companies, because there is a gap between the skill set and the company requirement. Okay, company requirement more, and the student do not have that much skill. Okay, so there is a gap. Okay, so we are here to fulfill that, and I am giving you that shorty. In the market, you will see that courses have too much fees, okay, in the lakhs, okay. But here, the fees is 90% less compared to those courses, okay, 90% less. Okay, if the course in the market, the quality that in our course, the course is have fees is 3 lakh, we will provide you that in the 30,000. Okay, if you want to join that as a free, you can learn that from YouTube. Okay, but many students contact me on the number, and they told me like if I have any courses or that, so I want to do announcement for that here. Yes, we will train you, and we will take lesser fees compared to the those institute. Those are tech have fees much more. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you like the video, so subscribe the channel. Okay, and hit the like button and share with your friends. Okay, thank you.